If you want to block porn sites or adult websites on your iPhone, it's actually relatively easy to do. So all you have to do is go to your settings and you want to go down to screen time in your first page of your settings here. And from here, you want to scroll down to content and privacy restrictions. You want to make sure that you want to have this toggled on, the content and privacy restrictions tab. Have this toggled on. That way, these are actually like working in real time. So from here, what you want to do is go to your App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And you're going to have a lot of options here, but you just want to go to where it says Web Content. And as you see, I have it on limited adult websites. You can have it unrestricted. It will ask you for your passcode. That way you don't have any issues getting to any other site. But for this example, you want to have limited adult websites checked on. And then you have two options here. You have always allow or you have never allow. And you can actually go in and add a website as I did here. So from that point forward, you can go ahead and block any porn websites or any websites in general that you don't want someone else getting into your phone or you yourself if you have children. So it's very simple and very easy to go about blocking porn or adult websites on your iPhone.